In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to deactivate a user in SuperConstruct. Ideally, only the user who invited another user has the authority to deactivate that user. For example, if the owner invited a general contractor, only the owner can deactivate this particular GC. To deactivate a user, navigate to the user's module and search for the user you want to deactivate. Let's say we want to deactivate demo GC. Click on Deactivate next to their name. Upon clicking Deactivate, you will see that it throws a notification wherein it says we've identified that there are no tasks pending which are raised by this contractor. Are you sure you want to deactivate the user? So in cases where there are pending tasks assigned to the specific user, the list of those tasks show up on this pop-up notification for you to review before you proceed with the deactivation. In this case, as there are no pending tasks, I would click on Proceed and automatically the user gets deactivated successfully. That's how you deactivate a user.